There are few silver bullets ever for anything, but backup, business continuity, and disaster recovery as cloud services come darn close. Having to stand up a second site for any one of these can wreak havoc on an IT budget. Plus, it's pretty tough not to end up with idle capacity. I'm Stephen Braat, VP of Cloud and Managed Solutions at CDW. Now, let's find out exactly how cloud can help organizations mitigate the risk of downtime without crushing IT budgets.
The discussions in the boardroom among the senior executives in the company was really around the ability to get the security in place, have the disaster recovery capabilities in place, have the scalability that we would require as our company grew very rapidly, and do all that in a very secure environment.
We were just getting started. We didn't have all the time to get that in place, and we need to get it up and going quickly.
Most people think today, because it's behind their firewall, that it's inherently more secure. What people don't realize is that all humans and hardware are fallible. What people are seeing in the marketplace is that if you can trust a cloud company that actually has the highest paid security experts in the world working for them, that who would you rather trust? People that you can't hire in the workforce on your own hardware stack behind your firewall, or people who are out in the workplace doing it professionally as their day jobs.
So disaster recovery is another key consideration, and having a provider like CDW with the disaster recovery facilities and data centers and connectivity really provide a robust solution.
Why cloud works for DR can be as simple as this. I am a homeowner. I do not, unfortunately, have a second home built out to the specifications of my first home to protect against anything that might happen to my primary home. What I have is an insurance policy to protect against my first home.
We didn't need to go out and get our own second data center and build it all and have connectivities and facilities. End up paying a lot of money for a secondary data center. We end up leveraging just another cloud solutions data center to mitigate that risk.
A lot of people looked at very specific hard-to-hard resources in the past, and cloud has these huge resource pools and new host-based replication that can provide a whole new discussion that people never thought of before.
You have the option of architecting your own disaster recovery and hosting it in a co-location facility, or you can align with a partner who already has co-location equipment set up and you can connect to that. And they'll add managed services on top of it as a service where they do the failover, the failback, and the testing for you.
And so from a failover perspective, we'll be okay?
Yeah, we should have enough bandwidth, as well as the failover should be seamless to go between two sites.
That's great.
Yeah.
Not needing to incur the cost of maintaining our own facilities, our own connectivity to that facility are all great options in the cloud.
Need a little more give in your continuity strategy? At CDW, we have the solutions and partners to back you up 24/7. See how at cdw.com/cloud.